Alan Greedy was one of 3 engines brought on trial for the Northwestern Railway. He was very cocky and conceited, but deep down he was starting to worry. But of course he would never admit it. But after the incident with the tree branch, he was starting to worry that he would get sent away because of all the trouble he had caused. Oh, I can't go back to the mainland, not with that thing on the mainland. So Alan Greedy re-scored with steam. Come back here, you. Look what you've done. But he had already left. After 98462 and 87546's abrupt departure from Sodor, they needed someone to pull all the freight trains. So Sir Topham Hatt asked Alan Greedy to pull the trains. But as you can guess, Alan Greedy hated this. But Henry took the small goods trains due to him not being able to handle anything. Together, these two were the main freight engines on the island. But if there's one thing that Alan Greedy hated most about pulling goods trains, it was that one light gray truck. It always gave him trouble, but he even wanted to give him even more trouble today, due to him bumping the cars fiercely. And a few seconds later, Alan Greedy heard a horrible screeching noise. Oh, you gotta be joking. No way! It'll take forever to clean up this mess. Oh, dear. But while he was complaining, Edward arrived with the breakdown train. Alan Greedy, what do you think happened? Well, I'll tell you what happened. Some workmen told me they found the brakes on the third truck all locked up. So it slipped its brakes on purpose and derailed my train. Who do you think you are derailing my train like that?
Actually, all this was your fault. You shouldn't have pulled the train in the first place. And we can't forget how you crashed into a tree branch. How pathetic.
Wait, hold up, stop, the light's not clear. Thomas, are you okay? I heard... Oh dear. Oh no, this isn't good. After the crash, an investigation was launched, but the truck refused to cooperate, in fear that Alan Greedy would bump him again. But the investigators knew something was off. They knew he couldn't just move on his own, but he refused to cooperate, so the case was closed. Until someone realized that that was the same truck that was on Alan Greedy's train. Coincidence? Yeah, coincidence, but Alan Greedy was complaining to Edward about that truck. He was complaining about how he had caused an accident and made him late. So they all came up with a plan. Thomas came up to Alan Greedy. Alec Greedy, guess what?
Oh, I don't have time for your nonsense.
You're a suspect of my accident. What? What? Are you serious? Sorry, have to do work. Bye.
Oh dear, what am I supposed to do? I'm a suspect now. They're gonna realize that I said all that stuff about that gray truck. And now I'm gonna be in trouble. I probably get sent away from this island. Oh my goodness, you know I can hear you, right?
But before Alec Greedy can say or do anything, Gordon showed up.
Oh, what do you think you're doing? Now, Alec Greedy, I've heard about your little incident.
Lying and trying to hide the facts and not taking accountability will not be prohibited on my railway. Furthermore, you'll be sent back to the mainland right now. Such a shame, too. I really wanted to have an Atlantic on my railway. So Alan Greedy was coupled up to a freight train and headed back to the LNER. I wonder where he is now. Don't you?